Hey guys, here's how to remove the stock intake or air box on a Mark 7 GTI. We're going to need a couple of tools for this, a 7mm socket, and possibly a pair of pliers or channel locks depending on how they set up your car. We need to remove this hose clamp right here. Now, depending on where they placed it, is going to depend on whether or not we need those pliers. If you can't quite get to it or reach it, like I can't right now, you're going to need to remove the box first, and then we can get the hose out of the way. And to do that, we're going to need those pliers. So let's go ahead and set it to the lowest setting here, and then we're going to grab on to this hose clamp, and then just slide it up and leave it right there. From there we can wiggle it, and now it's loose. We need to undo these two hoses right down here, and you're going to do that by pinching the sides of this one, and this one just gently wiggling back and forth. Once that's done, the box just lifts up from the back. You can see we've got these little pieces right here and here that are going to lock into place. Just a piece of rubber around a clamp and just lift up and up and then out. And then make sure you lift the back first, slide out, and there's the air box. Once we have that out of the way, now we can get to removing this hose. So we're gonna lift this up, slide our 7mm in there, and loosen the hose clamp. And that's it. Now it's off.